kitchen. I'm Eve. Glad you're here to cook with me. Today I'm going to make Mediterranean strawberry couscous salad. It's strawberry season here in Maryland, and I really want to showcase that beautiful fruit fresh from the ground at Pearlstone. Ours are certified organic and so delicious. So in honor of our strawberries, I've come up with this salad just for you. The first thing you need to do for this salad is cook the couscous. There are two different kinds of couscous. Today I'm using Israeli couscous, which is much larger. Can you see what it looks like? This comes from a box that looks like this, and the entire box makes just over 3 cups. So I'm going to use all of that today. Just boil it according to the package and don't use any spices or herbs or stock in it. You won't need that for this salad. So here's the couscous right here. It is been dried out and at room temperature. And to it, I'm going to add amazing strawberries. When it's in season, there is just about nothing better. So we're going to take those and the couscous and we're going to put them into a bowl. Now into my bowl so far, I have the strawberries and the couscous. The next thing we're gonna add to it are some cucumbers. Here are some cucumbers I've diced up. We're gonna throw those right in on top. And the next thing I'm gonna add in are some greens. I have 2 types of greens with me today. I have some organic baby spinach, and I have some beautiful organic arugula. The arugula goes straight in as is. The spinach, we're going to give a quick rough chop to. I know you've heard about lots of different kinds of chops, and at some point if you want us to go through different kinds of chops and how to roll them and chop them so that you can get different consistent cuts with them, I'm happy to do that at some point. But for this salad, just a nice, simple, rough chop. Easy. There we go. And we're going to throw that right in. Like that. All right, now we have those ingredients here in place, like this. The next piece we're gonna do is build the vinaigrette. All right, let's get working on that vinaigrette. So I'm gonna start with some organic orange juice, and you wanna get some jar, anything that works in your house with a good lid, so it seals up tight. And into this, we're going to add some mustard, because I'm making like a Dijon vinaigrette. So we'll just put that right in there. And then I have some honey. We're gonna put that in. It's about a tablespoon or so of honey. Let's get that in nice. And then a little bit of vinegar. Lots of recipes call for a white distilled vinegar, but wherever possible, I like to put a little more of a fermentation into my food. So I tend to use apple cider vinegars that have the mother. Here are 2 places where you can get that. Bragg's is organic and kosher. Can you see the mother? Since my jar is almost empty now, is getting pretty thick. But if that's price prohibitive for you, even going to a place like Aldi, you can still get an organic apple cider with the mother, and it's kosher as well. So a great way to be able to get some apple cider vinegar into your home. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons. Great. All right. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to this, and that's just going to be a really nice way to get it to emulsify. So I'm gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of it. There we go. I'm gonna give it a quick stir to get all that good yummy stuff off my spatula and to get the honey off the bottom, like that. And then I'm gonna put the jar lid on nice and tight and give it a shake. All right, now that we have a good shake done on that, we're gonna pour in. I like to put about half of my vinaigrette in at first, toss it up, reserve some so that I can add a little more right before I serve it, and I never want it to be soggy. So about half goes in now. Okay, we're gonna give that a toss. Delicious looking. And then to this, we're gonna add some fresh herbs. So out of my garden, I just grabbed 2 kinds of herbs. This is mint and this is oregano. We're gonna give the oregano just a pull straight down. That gives you all of the leaves to throw in. Separate them if they're all still connected. again, just a little pull. You can get them straight down here, like that. And then the mint's a little bit big. So I'm gonna take a couple leaves and just give them quick pinches off and add that in as well. This just needs salt and pepper and it's ready to be served. If you wanted this to be a dairy meal, one way to complement that vinaigrette is by putting a little bit of feta in. And I have some today we can add on top, but that is not required. So a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of pepper, and then I have feta, you see? So I'm gonna grab a little bit of this block like this, and I'm gonna crumble it on top. All right, and there we have a Mediterranean strawberry couscous salad. And you see, I'll make sure you can see in the bowl. There you go, for you to enjoy. I'll take a picture of it as well so you can see it finished. I hope you enjoy this and you make the salad at home. Of course, substitute away. If you prefer peppers or spring onions instead of cucumber, go ahead and substitute them. I wrote down the recipe as a base and I hope you play with it. If these are the kinds of videos that you find really useful, I hope you'll check out Pearlstone Online, where our instructors have put lots of different videos together for you from many different topics, all from Pearlstone. And if you love this kind of food half as much as I do, please go check out Pearlstone Kitchen. Our team is making gorgeous meals, which we are delivering both to people's homes in the community and to feed the front line, serving 2 different hospitals in our area. And people can donate so that those meals are available. Either way, whether you're feeding yourself or a neighbor, or whether you want to donate a meal to somebody working hard in one of the local senior centers or hospitals, we hope to hear from you. Thanks.